warmly welcome you all to the 50th Annual General Membership Assembly of the Ilocos Norte Electric Cooperative Incorporated. Today we come together not just to celebrate, but also to celebrate the milestone of the cooperative, but also to recognize the people, partnerships, and communities that continue to keep INEC strong and moving forward through the years. For the past 5 decades, INEC has stayed committed to bringing reliable electricity to homes and helping communities grow across Ilocos Norte. More than providing power, INEC has become a trusted part of the everyday life of many Ilocano families. Yet, itiagdama as we face challenges in the energy sector, kapuha digiti rising fuel costs, increasing demand for power, ken digiti pa'y pakairamanan ipagilyan tayo iti global uncertainties affecting energy supply. Ket tarigagayan tayo akas kadetoy nga aktibidad ket deng iti panagkaykaysa tapnon mapabilig ken maipaay iti pagimbagan iti amin. Ngarat bayat iti panagselebrar tayo ken panang-atendar tayo amin iti kadetoy 50th Annual General Membership Assembly. May this also inspire continued collaboration among cooperative leaders, member consumer owners, local government units, and partners in building a stronger and more energy secure ang masakbayan for the people of Ilocos Norte. Naipapuswan, akablaaw, ken pamadayaw to the Ilocos Norte Electric Cooperative Incorporated. May you continue to become an instrument of progress, empowerment, and inclusive development. Once again, I welcome all of you, and naibagabigan tayo amin.